What if Captain Cook never charted Australia's east coast? Without Britain's claim in 1770, Indigenous societies continue independently, cultures, trade routes, and land stewardship uninterrupted. Europe arrives later, and not all at once. Contact comes through scattered traders, not empire. No British penal colony, no rapid takeover, no foundation of a new nation. Australia emerges differently. More indigenous continuity, mixed global influence, and a history shaped by delay rather than conquest. One voyage never made. History continues, just not the one we know.